Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hi, Ziggy. Hi, Zag. What's up? Nothing. I'm thinking what to play. Let's crack up some jokes. Which is the most talkative flower? The one that has lips? Almost. Tulip, because it has two lips. Chatterboxes. What has four wheels and flies? A car? No, silly. A garbage truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I got one more for you. What is it? What do you call a fly when it retires? I don't know. A flute. Achoo. That's funny. I got one for you. Where do fish save their money? In the mermaid's house? No. In the riverbank. That's funny. Gamuchi Gugai. What do you get from nervous cows? Bubbles? No, you get milkshakes. Yeah, that's yummy for my tummy. I got one more. What do you give a dog for a fever? Potty lessons? No, mustard. Because it's the best thing for a hot dog. Get it? Yes, I get it. When a dog gets a fever, then it's a hot dog. Ooh, yummy for my tummy. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.